Hey, what's up, guys? And the camera was on. Here I am. All right, back to our discussion on surface area. Ooh, and my board fell up. Today we're going to talk about cylinders. Cylinder, surface area of a cylinder. Okay, what is a cylinder? Bang, here's one. Here's a cylinder, okay? It has two circles, a top and a bottom. And if you would unfold this thing, cut it right here and unfold it, guess what shape you would have? It would be a rectangle, okay? You could take the top and the bottom, like I said, you'd have two circles. And if you split it right down the middle and unrolled it, it would end up being a rectangle. Okay? So we think about that when we're making our formula. I didn't make this formula. I'm not smart enough. But I know how to use it. Okay? Alright? So really, if we're trying to find the surface area, all we do is add the area of two circles and a rectangle together. Right? But we need to know some measurements. And there is a formula. Okay? Cylinders are easy. It's got a definite shape that we know what they are. Looks like a can, a soup can, or something like that. But anyhow, cylinders. What if we had to put a label all the way around this in the top? Or what if we needed to know how much metal to make this can, you know? We would want to know how much surface area, how much to cover around this thing, okay? Well, there's a formula for it, as is usual for everything. So let me get rid of this drawing of this cylinder, this busted open cylinder. And let me write down my formula. The formula is 2 times pi times the radius squared plus 2 times pi times the radius times the height. Well, some of it all looks familiar. This is the circle parts, the two lids. Because pi r squared is how you find the area of a circle, right? And we have two of them. So that's this part. So this part is the rectangular unfolded part of the can. That's how you find the area. But like I said, as long as you know what shape you're dealing with, you know what formula to use. You're going to be given the formula on my test, SOLs, everything else. Here's the formula. This is the puzzle. Here's the pieces. Let's use this example. Here's a cylinder. Could be a, 1 hour delay. I'm here by myself. Anyhow, here's the can. Here's the formula. Let's say this is a can, just like we had there, and we want to find the surface area of it. Let's plug in what we know. We know we're going to use a 2. Pi, we always use 3.14. And our radius is half the distance across the top of the can. Remember, the whole distance is called the diameter. Half of it is called the radius. So our radius is 7 squared, right? We got the two circles taken care of. Now we need to add this part. It's 2. Pi is 3.14 times our radius, which is 7, times our height, which is over here, 7.5. Now, it's all calculator work now. Or if you don't have a calculator, you all should be able to do this. 2 times 3.14 times 7 squared is 49. So that comes out to 307.7. And we're going to round to the nearest tenth. That's what the directions say on this paper. So 307.7 plus 2 times 3.14 times 7. This comes out to 329.7. Alright. Add those two together. Surface area of this cylinder comes to 637.4 millimeters. That's what we were dealing with, millimeters. Put your units on there. I'm going to be a stickler about this. Squared. Why squared? Because we're talking about area. Anytime you deal with area, it's squared, right? So the surface area of this cylinder is 637.4 millimeters squared. Alright, don't sweat this. It looks all complicated when you see something like this. You're going, oh my gosh, no way I'll get this right. But look, I give you all the pieces. This is the puzzle, and these are the pieces, right? Really, you only have two. You have a radius and a height. And you square it here, and here you multiply them together. Come on, people. Come on! Alright, guys. Surface area. Cylinders, prisms. Alright? Know this stuff. It's not hard. Alright? And, yeah. We're going to talk about them some more later. Alright? For now, peace out.